Hi, I'm Jennifer Germaine, Managing Attorney at Germaine Law Firm. Today's Building Up Benefits video is on establishing your own health clinic. There's been an uptick in the trades on establishing your own health clinic within your health fund. You may be surprised to find out that there's actually cost savings in doing that. What a health clinic for your trade looks like is a fundamental change in how health services are being provided. If you went to your primary care physician, that primary care physician is pushed in their organization to see 40 to 60 patients a day. If you're in your health clinic for your trade, they're likely only seeing 12 to 15 patients in a day. That slows down the care that the doctor or the nurse practitioner is providing and allows them to do a deeper dive in what's actually causing the illness or the injury. And it gives them time to talk about preventative items to hope that that injury or illness doesn't occur again. It also does one other thing, and this is where the cost savings likely would occur. If you're on a health fund, you know that the cost to your fund is really driven by a few really high claimants. If your doctor in that health clinic has the ability to monitor people that deals with the compliance issues, so imagine a high cost case that has a lot of compliance and that individual has stepped off and maybe they're not complying, such as diabetes. If they pop into the clinic, that doctor has access to the medical records and can see, oh, this person isn't complying. I should talk to them further about that, in hopes that they can get the person to comply again and not to drive such high costs. The most interesting part about these clinics is the trades that have enacted them are seeing that the membership is ranking the clinics as the #1 benefit to the membership. That's pretty amazing. Once these clinics get set up, a lot of time they start with either a medical doctor or maybe even a nurse practitioner, and then they start to see that they're so successful that they add on maybe a dietitian or somebody to do health coaching for individuals that are coming in for services, or maybe even a physical therapist. In the trades, you see a lot of injuries dealing around the movement of the body and how to fix that. So physical therapists could help with those types of injuries and also help with training even your apprentices on common work injuries that occur and how to deal with those, so your fund doesn't have to deal with the high costs of surgeries. It ends up really being a win-win for your health fund. What I have heard is when you have about 1,000 participants, it usually makes sense to adopt a health clinic. You may be able to do that, and it might make sense even if you have less than that, depending on what your claims are. Even if you don't have enough participants, you may couple up with other trades in your area to establish a health clinic that can be shared. And there's many different ways that you can share that. That's also occurring. If you'd like more information on health clinics and the information that I know about them, feel free to reach out. I'd love to discuss this topic even further with you.